Good day. This video is about galvanizing. This is a way of protecting iron from rusting. So you take your iron object that might want to rust and you're going to coat it with zinc. So you can take zinc, you get it in a nice big pot that can handle high temperatures, and you make the zinc molten. You melt the zinc. Then you dip your iron object in it, and now it is coated with the zinc. And if you look at your table, zinc is below on the right, below iron on the right. So therefore it is more easily oxidized than the iron. And it also turns out when zinc oxidizes, it makes zinc oxide, which is moderately stable. So it talks about the zinc hydroxide, zinc carbonate. You get this coating that also helps protect this iron and cuts down the iron coming into contact with water and oxygen. These are good things. So it's a physical barrier and it's also a chemical barrier. Physical barrier means it physically blocks the oxygen and the water from reaching the iron. And the sacrificial anode, like in the previous video, the zinc will oxidize before the iron, and it forces the iron to be a cathode, which is protected, and it gets sacrificed itself. Turns out if the zinc is scratched, the zinc below it will oxidize and form a protective layer. If you go to a hardware store, you will see all kinds of things that are galvanized. Often these things are used outdoors where they're exposed to water and oxygen and you don't want them to rust. And so you can buy galvanized nails and screws. These are examples of pails that are galvanized. So you have iron, but it's been coated with zinc to protect it. So all kinds of things. So take a field trip to one of your hardware stores and look for galvanizing. Very useful. All right. Okay. And that's it for galvanizing.